Hello friends, let's make shepherd pie. And for this we need 3 tablespoons of olive oil, 1 chopped onion and 1 cup of shredded carrots, and then add the lamb and now cover and cook for 5 minutes on a medium heat. And now let's add garlic, some salt to taste, and also add some black pepper. Then add fresh tomato puree and 1 cup of chicken broth. Now add some cilantro and rosemary. And now let's cover and cook for 10 minutes on a low heat. And now let's make the mashed potatoes. Peel the potatoes and then add butter and milk. And put some cheese on top. Thank you for watching. Keep smiling.